Hello everyone and welcome. In today's video I'll show you how to set up always on display on OnePlus Nord 6. First, open settings and navigate to home screen, lock screen and style. Then swipe up and choose always on display. Then turn it on. And if you turn your phone off, always on display will appear. There are many more styles to choose from, and you can customize them. To whatever preference. You can choose digital clock, analog clock. You can change the text color, just like so. And that's it for today. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.